Hi, my name is Gennady, I'm from Electrical Specialists, and today I show you how to change old fuse board or consumer unit, and we will change that and move to a new position. It's in very awkward place, it's very uncomfortable to do anything, service it, maintain it, change the fuse, anything, and that's where it will go. I have already started that. 7 ways consumer unit or fuse board with 7 rebarable fuses, and I have already started that to move where it goes. That is new trunking I have installed, and we have to do the periodic inspection and to know at least what actually load we have, and to know what we're actually connecting to a new board, and what will be involved, and perhaps any faults or defects is already on the installation. That will help us to do the job professionally. And if any repairs will need to be done, we do it at the same time. Perhaps it's code 1 or code 2 defect somewhere, or broken sockets, or live exposed parts, or anything. That's we have to start with in the first place. I already start moving the circuits. That was the first what I have identified. That circuit is kitchen ring. And as you see, I already moved it here because it was done recently, last maybe 5 to maybe 3 years. It has new colors. I extend the earths because they are too short, put sleeving all along. That is the circuit 1 on a RCD 1, and that's where I took it across, because it was going through that route. Okay, and a little bit more about the cables. At the moment that is 2.5, yeah, because it's in the ring, and it's going to be protected by 32B MCB. You can see it's 32B. You can see here it's 30 milliamp RCD, and that is 80 amps total load. And let's see the next circuit. Okay, I'll take you quickly what have I done. I've installed all new circuit breakers into empty spots, empty places. And I'll quickly run through the reasoning why I've decided that. That is one RCD which will protect all the power sockets, and that is 16 amp breaker here. We can connect it boiler, for example, or any fridge, freezer, whatever it could be, and that I'll leave that spare. I'll connect boiler to this part to that RCD, which would be all the lights here, trip for any reason. So that particular part of the house would be still live and connected. And that is, as you see, it's isolated, so there is no current pass by. And that particular part would be no RCD protected. It's also for the reason being, if the house owner will decide to use any dedicated equipment which not requires RCD protection for to avoid false tripping or anything else. So that's 2 circuits actually is for that use, and that will be left spare as well. So there will be no load connected to that, because the distribution board was bought as 12-way split load consumer unit. So that's how it's going to look like. And as you can see on the bottom here, I haven't connected yet the copper strip, which I'm going to do next. So that is dead at the moment, and all that would be connected. When it's gonna be all done, only then I'm going to turn the power on. Okay, next step. I have connected the copper strip, which means it's all screwed in, and there is still dead. All work is going to be taking when it's all disconnected, and it means you won't be able to take it out the breaker physically without removing that